Nature stinks. Stinky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animals. This animal sprays a stinky liquid when enemies get close. This animal plays dead in enemies get close. It also makes stinky green slime. This animal shoots a stinky liquid at its enemy. The animal makes stinky liquid to keep other animals away. It also pees on food. It doesn't eat right away. The smell may keep other animals away. The animal fights over mates. It uses stinky pee to keep others away. Stinky birds. This bird eats leaves. Tiny living things in its body break down the leaves. This way to eating makes it smell bad. This bird eats dead animals. It throws up when enemies get close. It throws up smells very bad. Stinky bugs. This bug sprays a hot, stinky liquid when enemies get close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. This bug is too slow to run away. It makes a stinky liquid when enemies get close. Other stinky animals. This turtle is also called stink pot. It smells bad when enemies get close. This frog smells like rotten onions when enemies get close. Good and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive.